Welcome to lesson 80. We're going to talk about semicircles and quarter circles and use this to find area of these compound figures. So watch out for how we identify whether the problem is asking for perimeter or circumference or area, how we use the correct formula or formulas to represent the problem, how we use number sense with fractions to find area of semicircles or a part of circle, and this will ask for half circles and possibly even quarter circles, how we substitute and evaluate to solve the equation, and watch for how we demonstrate we can tend to precision when calculating final answers. The figure represents the top view of an area taken by a fountain at a shopping mall. The figure consists of a rectangle with a semicircle. Now, a semicircle is this half of the circle over here. What is the total area taken up by the fountain? The gardener wants to place lights around the fountain. How many feet of light are needed? So we're going to do the first part, which is to find the total area, which means we need that yellow portion and this reddish portion. I'm going to add them separately. So watch what I do. I want the area of the rectangle plus the area of half the circle. That's what I'm going to find right now. Let's put in the dimensions. For area of a rectangle, we have length times width, or 20 times 30. Plus the area of our circle, where we want half the area. And we know that the formula is apple pies are 2. So pi times radius squared. Okay, since we know that from here to here is 20, we want the halfway point, so I know the radius is 10. So 1/2 times pi times 10 squared. Let's start simplifying. The first one is 600 plus, I'm going to rearrange this part so you can see it in using order of operations. Here's 100 times pi times a half. So that is 50 times pi plus 600. And I want you to think about the usefulness of this number. If I told you, hey, the area of this fountain is 600 plus 50 pi, I can't simplify it anymore. This is one term. I can't add this and this part together. However, what we can do is we're going to substitute 4 pi. So 50 times pi. Again, I'm just using my calculator and I'm getting 157.08. We'll add those together, and so my area is 757.08 feet squared. Hit pause and jot this down into your notes. And let's do the second part now, where we want to know, gardener wants to place lights around the fountain. How many feet are needed to surround the fountain? Alright, so let's just think about this. Sometimes I used to tell this story kind of like if a little ant was marching. If an ant, I'm going to do this part here. He'd march this part, and this part. His distance would be what? He would have gone 30 plus 20 plus 30. So already he's gone 80 feet. Now we need this curved part. And this curved part, again, is going to be half, just half, of our circumference. So I want 1/2 of the circumference. So cherry pie, delicious. And we know that the diameter is 20. So 1/2 times pi times 20. 1/2 times 20 is 10 pi. And I don't think he's going to want to know, hey, you need 10 pi feet of light. That doesn't make any sense. So again, we're going to figure out 10 pi. This part is equal to 31.42 feet. So now I know this area, this part, and I'm going to add it with the other to find the total, and I get 111.42 feet of light. Hit pause so you can jot this down into your notes. And in today's lesson, you're going to do a lot of problems with semicircles. So think about what fractional part of the circle you have. We've been using half circles here, but you will also have problems with quarter circles as well. I know you got this. These are fun, creative problems. Get some practice in, and I will see you in the next lesson, Math Marbles. Take care.